Hello, all. My name is Krish Naik, and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, guys, first of all, I would like to thank everyone for supporting Krish Naik Academy with all the amazing support and with all your amazing feedbacks. We were able to bring some amazing courses for everyone. We have been a finest contributor in bringing Udemy courses, which are very, very affordable. We have also brought a lot of live boot camps. Along with that, we have also launched a new product, which is called as Industry Ready Projects, where we have more than 50 to 60 plus industry ready end-to-end projects, specifically who are interested in building AI in their company, right? So we have done all these things, and thank you for all your amazing feedback. All these courses are affordable, and we have made sure to bring up more quality as we go ahead. Any new thing that is coming in the industry, we are making sure to update that regularly. Now, Krish Naik Academy, we started at June 7, 2024, and we are about to complete 2 years. It was an amazing experience. We have amazing first class mentors, who are continuously contributing to every queries that is being brought up by students, professionals, and other people. The reason of making this specific video is that I really want to talk about all the products that we have in one place, so that whenever you require any kind of assistance with respect to any kind of studying things or getting upskilled in the field of AI, I would suggest you can follow all the specific products. So let me go ahead and step by step discuss all about this. But thank you for everyone for supporting this. And I hope we probably bring up more new things, and we continuously listen to your feedbacks. We continuously see the trends that are coming in the companies, industries, what all things are basically getting launched. We're also focusing on more and more free community sessions. Just to give you a growth trajectory, we have crossed around 600K plus free customers, who are learning from us continuously in our platforms, in our Udemy courses, and many more. Along with that, we have also gained 25K plus paid customers in our live cohort boot camps. And all these courses, we have given a lot of discounts for the student, for the professionals, so that many people can probably take it and join our sessions. Along with this, one of the amazing things that we have done in this past 2 years is that we have gained more than 650K plus customers in Udemy also. And in Udemy, for per course, we usually get less than $1, but it was amazing because many people were able to get the access of all those courses. We have distributed around 100K plus courses completely for free to people, for students who are not able to afford even that, right? And that's the most amazing part. We were able to do this by all your support, all your amazing support that we had, right? And the belief that you actually have. So let me go ahead and let me talk about all the products that we have. And please, I would make sure, please do watch this video till the end, because it will be very, very handy enough for all of you. And if anybody is there, because see, we are a bootstrap company, we are focusing on affordable quality courses, boot camps, wherein we are just focusing on the AI field, because we believe if anybody learns AI, they will be definitely able to do a lot of things. So first of all, if you go ahead and see in krishnaik.in, if you first click the Udemy courses, here are all the Udemy courses that you will be able to see. Whenever we get any kind of coupons or free coupons, we definitely share it with our community. But again, these courses are very, very affordable, within 399 to 599 rupees. You can go ahead and take it off. Other than that, if you just go ahead and click on live classes, okay, these are our live cohorts and boot camps that we regularly launch, like once in twice a month, right? One boot camp twice in a month. So here you can see on May 17th, our recent batch of modern no code AI route, AI journalist to AI builder is basically coming up. The next batch that we have is something called as 3.0 agentic AI specialization with agent ops. Uh, if you go ahead and just see the roadmaps, right? We have designed one efficient roadmap to help everyone how you can learn AI in this specific era. There are three routes that we are focusing on. One is the traditional, one is the modern, and one is the advanced route. So for the traditional, we have a separate course. For modern, we have two routes, right? So we have launched two courses, and one of the courses is basically modern no code, and one more course is modern route, right? So this is basically for no code who does not need to have any coding prerequisite, and you can directly start by using some automation tools wherein you can build workflows, cloud code, and so many different kind of frameworks you can actually follow. And the best part about all the specific boot camps is that since we are into our second year, we have launched this boot camp earlier also. So the earlier boot camp that has got completed, you will also be getting the recordings of those boot camp with all along with all these courses. So let's say in the modern no code route, if you have completed that boot camp earlier, you'll be able to get the earlier boot camp access also in this. Let's say we are launching Agentic AI 3.0 over here. This is a specialization batch. We will also be able to give you the access of 2.0, right? Similarly, over here in the modern route, full stack generative AI bootcamp, we have given the access of the previous batch also, right? So this live bootcamps every two months we will be launching one bootcamp so that we bring up new industry trends and we try to cover based on these three roadmaps. Soon we are also coming up with one advanced route. As I said, this is like an agentic AI specialization batch we are launching 3.0. That also comes in this advanced route wherein we focus on specialization in building AI agents, right? So based on this three simple roadmaps, we will keep on coming up with courses, not many, but yes, once, twice in one, twice month, like twice a month, we will be bringing one course. Okay. Then along with this, many people wanted or gave us a very good feedback about, Krish, can you bring industry grade projects, right? Industry grade projects wherein we build AIs and all AI applications. You bring you build generative AI application, agentic AI applications and all. So for that, we have brought this project section, and here you'll be able to see that we have uploaded around 75 plus projects, and we also keep on updating the specific projects based on the requirement that is changing in the industry. We are still adding more projects, and probably in a couple of months this project will be increasing to 100, right? We have various categories of projects from agentic AI, computer vision, data analytics, data engineering, data science, DevOps and cloud, machine learning, NLP, Python, all these things. And these projects you can basically go ahead and categorize them, and this is basically on a subscription level, right? So this is like a subscription for a yearly fees. For a year you will be able to access all this particular project. Along with that, what we do is that we also have live sessions every Saturday and Sunday on alternate weekends. Okay. Now on this alternate weekends, what we do is that whatever projects is over here, right, we give you a schedule, and based on this particular schedule we cover up this project over there as a walkthrough, right, so that everybody is able to understand the project and even ask doubt clearing sessions for all the community. So these are the amazing products that we have brought. One is the project section, live cohorts, and then your Udemy courses. Okay. Now, there is also one more product where many people showed interest, and that is how we are evolving your product, evolving our entire website. Now, apart from this industry ready projects, we also have a plan which is called as Krish Naik Academy Pro subscription. And in this specific subscription, we provide all our live bootcamp access in a yearly subscription basis. Since you see that every 2 months we come up with new batches, so there are also requirements where people, what they do is that they take the subscription of the entire live classes access, right? So they will be given access to all the boot camps, in terms of recording and attending the sessions. Let's say if these three courses are going on, they will be able to attend all these three courses. As I said, in a year we basically launch around 5 to 6 live courses, so this will be very handy. Every course goes ahead till 5 to 6 months. So many people had actually requested to come up with a subscription plan wherein you will be able to attend all the live courses. And that is how we have actually brought up all these things. Going forward, we are also coming up with some products, right? Like a resume product, mock interviews product, and along with that, job product, right? Now, see, since we are running our academy from past 2 years, we also get a lot of requests from different companies regarding requirements from different profiles. What we do is that right now we share it with our students. They go ahead and apply in that particular job portal. Okay, or they fill the Google form. We send that Google form directly to the company. But now we are also building some kind of platforms which is like a job related platform. So out throughout the entire listings that we usually get, we will be posting all the jobs over there where you can go ahead and directly apply it. Okay. Along with that, we are also coming up with a resume portal so that you will be able to create your resumes, and that is completely AI driven, where we'll be having ATS system and all. And based on job description, we are going to create all those kind of resumes also. Okay. And finally, we'll also be having a mock based AI interview platform wherein a AI bot will be taking the entire detailed interview for you, right? So that all things will be completely free for you. Whoever is basically joining or not joining, these three products will be absolutely free for every one of you. Okay. As said, guys, as we are a startup, and we focus on affordability, we are not planning to raise any funds. We are not planning to probably collaborate with any other institute. We are focusing on just providing affordable education to everyone, and we will keep on doing that with more new content, more new syllabus, more new cohort, more new amazing Udemy courses, and more new industry ready projects. So just go ahead and check out all these things. I will also be giving the detailed number of all the counseling team in my company, because we have also kept a counseling team so that they will be able to guide you. At any point of time, if you face any kind of confusion, just go to krishnaik.in and just select the roadmaps. Here you should be able to get the entire roadmap for learning AI, whether you want to go ahead with traditional, modern, or advanced route, whatever route. And inside this, we have also kept all the free resources. Okay. So here, if you go ahead and create a traditional route, all the videos are available, what should be the pattern of following things and everything as such, right? So I hope you like this particular video. I just want you all to please I'm requesting you all to share with many people as possible so that they don't waste their money by taking very high cost courses and all, because this is more than sufficient whatever we are teaching. You can see amazing feedbacks from the entire community, how they have made transitions. You can go ahead and just go ahead and see this. These are real testimonies, and I usually get every month like 5 to 10 different transition stories, and I keep on sharing in my platform, that is LinkedIn, right? Along with this, I have also have the apps of this Krish Naik Academy. You can also go ahead and download it. So thank you everyone, and hope so. And yeah, I also want some suggestion from you. How do we celebrate our second anniversary? Should we bring a 50% discount coupon, or should we come up with some product wherein we launch everything in one thing so that you will be able to get an excess of everything as such? You just let me know. But yeah, soon we will also be discussing how we are going to celebrate it. So yes, this was it from my side. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you and all. Take care. Bye bye.